Machines can't read, obviously, but then ever wonder how Google knows exactly what you're looking for just as you write it? Imagine one day I gave you an article and asked you, "What is this article about?" You would probably read it quickly and be able to tell me, "This article is about Mars, the planet." But I tell you to wait. Your job is not yet done. I now hand you a whole pile of articles and ask you what each of them is about. This would probably infuriate you, because the only way you could do that is to read through all of them. But what if I told you you don't have to? Let's take the Mars article for example. If I took out a couple of words from the article, could you still tell me what it was about? It wouldn't make any sense now, but you'd know it had something to do with Mars, the planet. Machines read the same way, just counting words. But you should stop me right here. You know what Mars is. You've heard about it before. How does a machine know what it is? Well, by something called inference. For instance, if I told you that a box contained some red and white colored balls, and we pick out 10 balls from it, some red and some white, then what is the ratio of the balls in the box? You could count, out of 10, we have 5 red balls and 5 white balls. So with some confidence, you could say the ratio should be half of them red and half of them white. Machines do the same thing for articles. They would count the word Mars, then they would count the other words that showed up in the article. They would do that for all the articles in the pile, and then with some confidence say, Mars is probably a planet. And you thought reading was easy.